Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share with you alternative to the GeoGuessr that you can use. So the first one that is like very popular one is GeoHub, and this is something that you can actually check out for yourself. So it's a free-to-play geography guessing game. It also comes with a world map single player as well as the ability to play on every single region you can think. But it requires to sign in before you start playing. It uses the Google Maps API, so the tool could adopt a subscription-based model in the future. Now, another one that is like really good too is WordGuessr. So it's unlimited rounds and fun multiplayer multiplayer modes. It's completely free. It's a popular game too, with average of 1,500 players online, like a lot of time. So that's great. Now, another thing is that account needs to score tracking, some ads, and your platform. Another one is Geostatic. So this one right here is great for multiplayer. Focus on geo quiz app that can be played with friends simultaneously. A free alternative to GeoGuessr. So this one is also an interesting one that you can actually like check out for yourself. And that's pretty much it for like what can you actually expect. So thank you very much for watching. Hope this video helped you, and have a great day and goodbye.